Another nomenclature example. Again, we'll always start with a line angle structure. And of course, you can go backwards. Given the name, you can draw the structure. I think given the structure and doing the name is a little more difficult. So here's our structure. This is not a fancy molecule by any means. The only real priority group we have, functional group, is the alkene. And so that's our top priority group. Our chain will be the carbon chain that contains this functional group, the longest chain we can draw. So we're going to start by numbering at the end of the alkene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we've run out of carbons. We have no branching to worry about, so that's fine. So this is going to be some kind of heptene. It's not going to be a heptane. It contains an alkene. So properly, hept1 ene is what we're going to have. So then we just put in our substituents. Now we have a chloro group, and that's going to come in as a 6-chloro. And then we have 2 bromines on carbon 5, and that's going to be a 5,5 dibromo. So we won't write 5-bromo, 5-bromo. It's 5,5 dibromo. Note that numbers are separated by commas. Words and numbers are separated by hyphens, so that's a key distinction. So we know we're going to have a hept1 ene. Then we put in our substituents. In alphabetizing these substituents, even though dibromo contains a D for the di, it's still considered a bromo. So the dibromo will come before the chloro with the C. It's a little tricky, but not too tricky. Okay, 5,5 dibromo, 6-chloro. Note that we added the hyphen there to separate the end of the bromo and the 6. 6-chloro, and this is all one word. There's no number here, so we don't need a hyphen. Hept, now we need a hyphen. 1 ene. No spaces, just commas and hyphens to break up the word as needed between the numbers and the letters. And that's our name for this relatively simple structure.